This is part of my live training videos. This is on a Doosan 220. It's a CNC lathe, 2-axis lathe. Really nice little machine. It's got a Fanuc I-series control on it. It's a very basic Fanuc. So enjoy the video.
So to index the turret on this particular machine, we can index it anywhere we want. But we must have the door closed. We go into any manual mode, for example jog, and this indexes the turret. So each press of it will index one station. If you look inside the machine, one station. You press and hold, it continues. You press the opposite way and you can press and hold. So it's this button, and this tells us which station we're on. Obviously before you index the turret, always check there's nothing in the way. This tailstock could be a bit of a beast. Works with this. So that brings the tailstock out and in. So obviously with that turret you've got to watch that. You've also got to watch the chuck that you could hit there.